So students, now the question number first, and this question is belong to the average. And students, all the question of average we can solve by the one method, that is alligation method. In alligation method, the whole part is divided between two parts. The part first we write here, part second, or we can say the average of first part, the average of second part, and the total average the whole part. The first part quantity, the second part quantity. Here students, the whole part is divided between two. First is section B plus A and section A, and the total section A plus B plus C. Section B plus C, the average of section B plus C, that is given 87.5, and the section A average is 70, and the total average is 84. Now in alligation method, first divided by second, and we write here 87.5 minus 84, that is 3.5. 84 minus 70, that is 14. This is ratio, this is not the quantity. There is 1 and 4. Now by this we can say the section in section A the number of students is 1, and the number of students in section B and C is 4. The total number of students in all the three sections is according to us is 5. 4 plus 1 5. But in according to question, the total number of students is 100. The formula is according to question, according to our result. According to question, the number of students is 100, and our result, by our result, the number of students is total 5. 100 upon 5, that is 20. So multiply by this by 20, that is 80. Multiply by 20, that is 20. So in section A the number of students is 20. So answer is section option C is the right answer. Students, again the question of average. The question you have seen in the screen, and the method of the question of this is this, and in the medium you are seeing on the screen. Now the student, you have seen that the solution of this question is take very long time, and that's not good for as far as an exam concerned. Look at our method. As I told you that all the questions of average can be solved by the one method, and that is alligation method. So look at the again. Boys, girls, and total. Boys average, girls average, and the total whole the class average. The boys average is 60, and the girls average is 80, and the total average of all the classes is 68. 68 minus 60, that is 8. 80 minus 68, that is 12. Now minimize this, 2 and 3. Now we can say the number of boys in the class is 3 and the number of girls is 2. So according to us, the total number of students in the class is 5. But according to the question, the total number of students in the class, that is not given. It doesn't matter, because the question is what is the percentage of boys in the class. The percentage of boys is 3 divided by 5, because the total number of students is 5, and in that 3 is the boys. The percentage of boys is 3 divided by 5 into 100, that is 60%. So answer is, student, option B is the right answer. Student, the question you have seen on the screen. The question you have seen on the screen is the consecutive numbers, the average of consecutive number. So students, whenever we talk about the average of consecutive number, we use the our dash, dash and the dash method. One of the method in our 10 method. So student, the question is this, and the solution of this question is this type, and this is not the right way to solve this question, because this question we can use by the dash dash method. So students, the average, whenever we talk about the meaning of average, in other word we can say average is the midpoint of something.